welcome back to another video. Today's another upgrade video for my 2021 Honda CB500X, and today I'm going to be upgrading the horn. So our stock horn, well, it is kind of loud. It could definitely be a lot better. And what I'm going to be doing to upgrade it is I'm going to be replacing this single little horn here with these dual horns. So the horns that I'm using are these Hella brand horns, and they do sound like how a Honda would sound. They're just much louder, and it's a dual note setup. So these are actually much louder. So here's the setup we're using here. Two-tone disc horn set. Okay, so they're 111 decibels, and there's a 350 hertz and a 420 hertz horn. I'll leave part numbers in the description below. So the main consideration we have will just be the wiring. And the reason that's a consideration is on a factory horn, you've got plugs in, spade terminals, you got two connections, and we just basically need to split that so it can power two horns. So what I did was I just made these little splitter harnesses. You might be able to even buy something kind of like this specifically for this purpose, but it's just easier for me to take a couple little lengths of wire, get a male spade terminal to plug in to the factory wiring, and then we can split our positive or negative horn to the two new horns. Now, as far as the mounting itself, so this horn comes down at an angle, and it is mounted to a metal bracket. You can kind of see where it bolts on right there. So these horns come with the same brackets. I just figure if I rotate the horns on the back to where the terminals are facing to the side, then I can bolt both horns together like this. All right, so to get to where the OEM horn mount is, took my 5mm Allen key, removed the bolt, this lower radiator shroud here. That gave me room to get this bolt out. So we'll just take the factory one and we'll bolt those new horns right in place where the factory one is. You can see that the mounts that the factory one used are very similar to the ones that come on here anyway. Alright, so here's what it looks like. We've got them bolted in place. Kind of overlap there. Doesn't look too bad. Here's our wiring. So what I'll kind of do is I'll kind of zip tie this all up under here so it looks good. Okay, then I'll some black liquid electric tape. I'll kind of coat those with, just so I'll make this all look a little bit better, cleaner. But now, the moment we've been waiting for. Yeah, that's ridiculous. So that will definitely do a much better job of getting the attention of whoever you need to get the attention of. So it's an easy, cheap, safety upgrade. You know, if you need that warning power, it sounds a lot better also. So hopefully the video was helpful. If it was, be sure to like it, subscribe. Again, there'll be links to where you can buy the stuff that I used in this video in the description below. Until next time, we'll see you later.